In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove image background in Canva. So kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. So the first thing is to open your Canva app. Now, once you get to your Canva app, for you to remove the background of the image in Canva, you tap on the plus button that you have at the top here. Now you have 4 options here. You can import, you can upload, and you can use new design template, or you can create a new folder. Now for you to remove the background of the image, click on upload files. You must have downloaded your image. I'm using this model that I downloaded from Pinterest. After the picture has uploaded to your Canva, can you see it at the bottom here? Upload complete. Now after that, you click on the image, select the image. Once you select the image, you are going to have it like this. You can now click on edit or open in editor. Click on open in editor. So this is a tool in Canva that can help you to edit your image. So this is the tool that can help you to remove the background of an image in Canva. So in this video, we are removing the background. So there are other options you can do to your image, but we are removing the background. So here is what you click in your tool, background remover, BG remover. So once you click on that BG remover, it will scan your image for the best remover. Now you have your image as a plain background. So there are other things you can do to the image, but in this case, we are only removing the background. Now, how do you get your file or your image to your gallery so that you can use it for any other thing you want to do? So this is what you are going to do. You are going to click on this icon at the top so that you can download it in the format that you want. So you are going to click on download. Here is download below. If you click on download, you are going to have another dashboard. So it is in PNG already. You don't need to change it. So you just click on download. Once you click on download, it will load. And that is the final stage. You can now open your image to see what you've done. So kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell.